Bitcoin has 120,000 US dollars with bullish head and shoulder pattern. You understand? There's an head and shoulder pattern that has been identified, and it's kind of inverse and head and shoulder pattern. Whenever we have that, people believe we might move up. But like I said, possibility of the market moving back to what, to 125 after the news is there, or a little bit above it, and we're not going to experience nothing more than that is possible. And if that should happen, that might be the end of this bull cycle, like I've been saying. But mind you, I'm not saying it's the end, but that might be the end. After the news, we're still going to analyze the chart and we're still going to discuss what we need to do. And now, another reason I'm thinking we might have seen enough of this bull cycle when it comes to Bitcoin, not altcoin and meme coin per se, is Binance now. Binance futures now hit all-time high in 2025 with 2.62 trillion traded. You see, that is the all-time high. So when it comes to all-time high in spots, we've hit it. All-time high in futures, we've hit it. So imagine everything is showing we might be at the end of the bull cycle. You understand? All-time high in futures, all-time high in sports. Even when it comes to multiply by what we've done, we've seen all-time high. So anything is possible, and you need to be careful. Now, look at another news on the radar, and this one is saying fair value gap, that is FVG, suggests Bitcoin price is going higher, but watch out for crash. And it's the same thing I've been saying. I'm not saying Bitcoin might not move. From 110, 111 is moving, and it might move up to another 125, 130. You understand? That is moving higher a little bit. That's about 20,000 points or 20,000 pips. That's another cash out there. But what I'm saying is, are we going to hit 180,000, 240,000 this cycle? With all these news, we are seeing that like everything is getting exhausted. So we need to be careful. The only lifeline we have now is the rate cut that is going to happen September 17th, or we have any good news coming out of all these institutions or all these big firms saying they now accept cryptocurrency and all of that. And that might be what will propel you to what you're waiting for. But to be realistic,